my channel. So today, as you guys can see, my hair is a different color, so I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how you can get your hair a different color, or like this auburn kind of color, using no bleach, no dye, completely safe. So a lot of people have seen my new hair color and been like, oh my god, is it safe? Like, I've heard that it really damages your hair, blah blah blah. Well, yes, if you're actually going to dye your hair, it will cause you damage. I mean, I don't personally think that there's a way to safely bleach hair, because you're stripping it, you're lifting it, there's no actual safe way to do it. So what I've done is I've basically bought colour wax. That's literally all it is. It's colour wax. It's a temporary like hair paint. Just colour wax, ORS, Curls Unleashed, in the colour Peachtree. You just put on top of your hair and you get the colour. So I applied my leave-in to damp hair, and then I applied the colour wax. I'll show you some clips of how that went. But yeah, I mean, overall the application process was it was easy. There's literally no tricks to it. It does say on the bottle as well to apply with gloves on, and I do feel that made it glide on really easily. Process overall was really easy and simple. So we are back, we are live and colourful. I like it. It does feel a bit crunchy, I'm not gonna lie, but like, I don't actually mind the crunch. My hair has well and truly coiled up. Probably should have stretched it a little bit, because yeah. I've done the brows as well, so they're lighter. But yeah, there's flakes all over my arm. Don't know if you can see it. There's literally, yeah, there's a lot of flakes, but I mean, it's to be expected. I'm not too bothered about it. Hair looks cute and it's only temporary, you know what I mean? It's only temporary. The flakes can be brushed off your arm, sitting can wash out, so not too bothered. My hands are, considering it's dry, they're not orange, but they have got like a metallic, you cannot really see it, they've got like the metallic hue of the product on it. But yeah, I can say that this gives crazy good hold, crazy good. And yeah, I like the colour payoff. I think it looks really cute. Guys, this is the 4th and definitely going to be the final day of this hair colour. I liked it, it was a bit of fun, and yeah, thanks for watching this video.